Welcome, myself Mahesh. In today's lesson, we will see how to use VLOOKUP functions in Excel. So in this case, we are considering this very simple table having 4 columns and 5 rows. Country is the first column, sales is the second, quantity is the third, and profit is the fourth column. Okay, so I want to find out the profit for, let's say, the country Japan or USA. Then I will find out sales or quantity. So these are the things. So this can be easily done with the help of VLOOKUP functions. So let's start with our example. Let's say I want to find out, I'm write down here country, and let's say it's profit. Okay, now country I select as a USA. Okay, and for this country USA I want to find out the profit. So what I will do, I will consider these 4 parameters in details. Let's say I write down VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is there, and these are the lookup value, table array, column index, number, and range lookup. So VLOOKUP means, first of all, I want to find out the lookup value. What is our lookup value? So our lookup value is this. Okay, country. So I will select, for example, USA is my lookup value. So I'm clicking this USA. Okay. So what you want to look up? We want to look up the country, that is USA or Japan, whatever it may be, comma. Next, where you want to look for it, that area, that boundary, that territory. Here this table is my area. Okay, so we want to look that value in this table only. So I am selecting this entire table. Okay, this table, comma. What I want to find out, I want to find out the profit for which country, Japan or USA or India. So I am selecting, let's say, country is a column number 1, sales column number 2, quantity column number 3, and profit is a column number 4. So I am selecting, I am entering the value 4. Okay, the column number in the range, that is, and I want to find out the exact match, not the approximate match. So I am selecting this. Okay, false, or you can write down 0. So complete this. So again we are saying what we are doing, VLOOKUP. First we selected this USA, that is CV15, comma, that is entire table. Next the column number and the exact match, that is false, or we can write down 0 also. So let's enter. So for this country USA, what is my profit? It is 1 2 4 5 7 8. Okay, that's simple. Now I'm changing it. I'm changing Russia. Let's say Russia. So what is profit? This profit. So instead of profit, let's say I want to find out quantity. Okay, so what I will do, I will use the same technique. Let's say VLOOKUP. Okay, so what I want to find out for Russia, let's say, comma, this entire table. Okay, this entire table, comma, what I want to find out quantity. Now profit was at the 4th positions. Okay, column. Now quantity is at 3rd position. So I am entering 3 and exact match, that is false or 0. Okay, so this and enter. So what is quantity for Russia? It is 145. Okay, now instead of Russia, let's say it is USA. The profit and quantity are changing. So I will make one simple arrangement here. So I'm clicking this USA. Instead of writing or entering manually, can we make some automatic arrangement there? It's very simple. Go to this ribbon, that is formula, data, review, select data. In that data, go to this data tools, select this arrow and click on data validations. It's okay. Now this window will appears like this. Go to settings, go to allow any value, click on this arrow, down arrow, and here it is a list. So what is the list? This list. Next, what is source? Go there. Source means what? This. Okay, source. So I will select Japan to Russia. This is my source, and I will write down OK. See here. Now USA, this you will get this automatic range, that is India. Let's say for this India, this is my profit and quantity, and this is very simple and very interesting. Next lesson we will see most advanced topics on this VLOOKUP. So let's keep my channel watching, sharing and subscribing. Thank you.